In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Figma's AI tool, Figma Make. A lot of people don't realize it's already built into the dashboard and it's completely free for all account types, except the education plan for now. That might change in the future, but if you're using an education account and you don't see Make, the easiest workaround is to create a new free Figma account and you'll get access immediately. To get started, go to your Figma dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a tab or icon labeled Make. This is the entry point to Figma's AI workspace. Click on it, and Figma will open a brand new Make file. Inside a Make file, you'll see a prompt box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type what you want Figma AI to generate. For example, you can type something like create a pet store app, and Figma Make will instantly generate layouts, screens, and UI ideas based on your prompt. You can continue refining your results by typing follow-up instructions, adding screenshots, or uploading reference images. That's all there is to it. Just click the Make icon from the dashboard, type your prompt, and Figma's AI will handle the rest. No setup, no configuration, and no plugins required.